the shop. I know it's been a while since we've actually done a work video here, so we're gonna go outside in this nice muggy weather here and do some rust repair. That's the last little bit of rust repair we have to do on Princess here. We replaced this piece and the lower piece here underneath of it. Both these pieces here, so that's the last bit of it. Got the whole underside of this thing clean, sandblasted. I think I've got one more spot over here that needs to be cleaned out, and I got rid of the blaster, so I'm just gonna wire wheel that out of there. It'll come out decent enough. So yeah, and she's going off to the body shop, so let's get cutting. Gotten really lucky with this Bronco, so there is rust buildup here, but none of it is through this second layer of steel. Ford did a good job of layering these things and not sealing them properly, so they get rust everywhere in them. All of them are this way, even the old first gen style ones. So this I'm going to clean up a little more, and then I've got some rust inhibitor stuff that converts the rust and makes it inert so it quits growing. So we're going to put that on there, then we'll primer it, and then I'll start building the piece to replace this right here and get it covered up. Alright guys, got this little piece here bent up, as you see. That's all sealed up. We shot some primer on the back of this, some self-etching stuff to keep it from rusting more in the future. So there's that guy. Obviously we got some final fit to do here to make it all fit nice and neat, but pretty tight. Just kind of finish up some edges and get her tacked in there. So I had to do a bunch of repair work on the floor pans. All this had to be done up there, a couple spots in here. The previous owners decided to put seats in this thing, and they used a chisel and a hammer to do it. This whole section of frame has actually been redone because they bent the frame out to get to the, you can't even see it anymore, but to get the bolts in up here. You can kind of see they pried on this a little bit on this side, but we got most of it fixed. So just finishing up grinding these down so we can get it all painted up, because the body underneath here is going to be body color. Getting closer. Alright guys, as you can see behind me here, we got the truck on the trailer, all loaded up, ready to go. Got all the patches done. Walk over here and take a look at that. Looks way better than it did. Also got that spot cleaned up over there. A couple of little areas. It's looking pretty good. Ready to go to paint here not too long. So we will get that hauled off when they are ready for it. Get the other little pieces off of them also. As you can see, we're getting projects stacked up here again. That little Mustang's got some rust repair. That Camaro's, some friends of ours, is having some issues. I think it's carburation related. So I'm gonna get on those, get those going, get those all fixed up for them. So better stop flapping my yap and get back to work. Until next time guys, keep building awesome stuff. See you on the next one.